Hello, student. Welcome once again. Here is my channels, and with the help of my channels, method of my channels, I'm trying to understand you all things that's related to the biology. In biology, as you know that we are studying improvement in the food resources. One by one, we had discussed a lot informatives and the terms related to the improvement of the food resources. So here we are studying the animal husbandry. In animal husbandry we are going to study the cattle farmings cattle farming. Okay, we will study the cattle farming. So what is cattle farming? Cattle means that's in India cattle husbandry is done for two purposes. How many purposes? Two purposes. First purpose is milk productions milk production. First purpose is here some milk productions, and the second purpose is drought labors. Second is here drought labor. Okay, first purpose milk productions. Milk is the such types of the nutrients that was obtained by the animals, and this milk is produced by the cattle generally buffalo, and also a cow. That's two animals is available here, so which is used as a animal husbandry to produce the more milk that will provide a sufficient nutrient. Near about a nutrient is available in this milk. So milk productions is here highly amounts in use is going on here in India in ancient times. So milk production, that is, and for agriculture works, drought production for agriculture works. It's a for agriculture work. In agriculture, for example, we will take here. So agriculture, so in agriculture work, so what we will do is with the help of these tilings, irrigations, and the cartings. Tilling, irrigation, you know that, and carting. You also know that irrigations means that provides waters to the plants or crops, and carting is, you know, that carting is carrying the loads from one place to another place, and the tilling means that even the place, and also ridings. For that one purposes we are using these animals. So here is the tilling, irrigations, and also cartings is three things that we are using in our India. Cattle in India belong to the different species. Species means that's a species of the cattle. We will try to know species of the cattle. Two types of the cattle is available here. So this is called Bos indicus. First is Bos indicus. Bos indicus. But Bos indicus, it is scientific names. The first name is genus, and the second name is species. So this is actually the name, scientific name of the cow, and the second is Bos bovalus. Bos bovalus. Okay, Bos bovalus. It is called buffalo. Okay, Bos buffalus, yeah, buffaloes. These are the Bos bovalus. So Bos bovalus buffalo is also buffalo that was we are rearing in as an animal husbandry point of view. Generally we in our daily lives and the production of the milk and drug productions purpose point of view. But other countries, it's also is involved in productions of the many things, skins, fertilizers point of use, and their flesh point of use. We are just a place, and other purposes is also used here. So we will discuss one by one. So don't be skips here. So here is the Bos bovalus. On the basis of the work done by the cattle, they can be divided into two categories. Means that's work done on the basis of work done. On the basis of work done by the cattle, it is two types, two categories. First category is here's milk animals, and the second is I have this milk is milk animals. Milk animal. Milk animal, and second is here's drought animals. Drought animal. Milk animals. Milk animals is the milk producing animal is said with the milk productions. Milk production. Here milk production takes place as in milk animals, and the milk producing are female or dairy farming. So milk productions, and female, generally female cow and buffalo used, and the farm is called dairy farming. Dairy farming is used here. And draught animals are those are used to labor work in used to labor work labor work purpose point of view. We are using the draught animals here in India, and especially draught animals in labor work is a farm agricultural farms. We can say that it is used in here agricultural farms. Now we will further divide the breeds of the cattle. So we will try to know that's the breeds of the cattle. Breeds of the cattle. Okay, what is the breed of the cattle? Breeds means that there are two types of breed is available here. That is called indigenous and exotic. Okay, indigenous. First is indigenous, or it is also said to be the local breeds. Local breed. And second is exotic animals, or it is also said to be the foreign animals, named foreign animals. So are breeds, foreign breeds. As exotic animals, indigenous animals, and indigenous animals, they are selected. They are selected for the because it is selected for highly disease resistant point of view. We are selecting the indigenous breeds, and highly resistance to diseases. For this one things, red Sindhi and Sahiwal is the best example. Okay, red Sindhi and Sahiwal is the example of the indigenous or local breeds. And second, exotic animal selected long lactation period. It is selected for long lactation periods. So we will discuss here lactations. What is lactations? First, periods. Lactation periods means that milk production periods. It's a lactation periods. In a lactation periods, selected for the long lactation periods, Jersey and brown Swiss. Example here. Example, Jersey and brown Swiss. These are the Jersey and brown Swiss producing much capacity of the milk can be produced by these Jersey and brown Swiss cows and buffalo. We are generally rearing our 10 years in our countries. So Jersey and brown Swiss, these two breeds can be crossbreed to get both desirable quality in the animals. It is a crossbreed. Okay, crossbreed. And by the crossbreeding process, we will find here desirable animals, and so that. So now we will discuss about what is the lactations. So lactation a process. Lactation is milk producing process in which it continues till the next birth. So lactation is the period of the milk productions after the birth of the calf. Okay, it is the production period of milk productions after the birth of Calf. After the birth of the calves produced by these animals means that cows and till the end of the lactations they will produce, these cows produce the milk continuously, non-stop milk productions will happen here with is happen here by them. So these are the calves animals lactation milk productions, okay, largely depend on the durations of the lactation periods. We can increase the milk productions by increasing the lactation period. So lactation periods, if we increase the lactation periods are by in a buffalo or in cow, these milk productions may be highly milk production takes place in it. So okay, thank you very much for coming to channel. So next day we will discuss about the management of the cattle and its effects, environments and climatic conditions, which types of animals suitable for which climate. So thank you very much for coming to channel. So don't forget to subscribe so that you cannot miss the video. Okay, bye bye.